Imagine whipping up a silky smoothie in seconds, blending a chunky salsa for game night, or pureeing a creamy soup without breaking a sweat. This magic bullet combo blender promises to make these kitchen dreams a reality, combining compact design with robust functionality. As a seasoned home cook who's tested countless blenders, I was skeptical. Could the 600-watt powerhouse truly deliver on versatility, ease, and performance? After weeks of blending, pulsing, and sipping, I'm here to share why the Magic Bullet Combo Blender is a game-changer for busy kitchens. This review dives deep into its features, benefits, and why it deserves a spot on your countertop. Spoiler alert, it's more than just a blender. It's your new kitchen MVP. Solving everyday kitchen challenges, the Magic Bullet Combo Blender tackles common cooking frustrations head-on. Struggling with bulky appliances that hog counter space? This compact blender fits neatly in any kitchen. Tired of blenders that can't handle frozen fruit or leave your smoothies gritty? The 600-watt motor and stainless steel cross-blade pulverize tough ingredients with ease. Hate the cleanup hassle? Its dishwasher-safe components make post-blend cleanup a breeze. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a salsa maker, or a soup lover, this blender streamlines meal prep, saving you time and effort. Unpacking the magic, key features, and benefits. The Magic Bullet Combo Blender isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a versatile tool designed to simplify your culinary adventures. Here's a breakdown of its standout features and why they matter. 600-watt power base. This is the most powerful magic bullet yet, delivering enough muscle to crush ice, blend frozen berries, and tackle fibrous veggies like kale. It's perfect for everything from smoothies to sauces, ensuring smooth results every time. 48-ounce pitcher. Ideal for family-sized batches. This heavy-duty pitcher with a removable cap lets you blend large quantities of soups, smoothies, or margaritas. The cap doubles as a 2 ounces measuring cup and allows ventilation for hot blends, preventing pressure buildup. Personal blending cup with to-go lid. Need a quick smoothie for the road? The single-serve cup lets you blend and go, with a secure to-go lid for spill-free sipping. It's a lifesaver for busy mornings or post-workout fuel. Simple speed dial control. With high, low, and pulse settings, you have full control over texture. Blend high for velvety smoothies, low for creamy dressings, or pulse for chunky salsas. No complicated buttons, just intuitive operation. Stainless steel cross blade. This sharp, durable blade attaches to both the pitcher and cup, slicing through tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice with precision. It is built to last and delivers consistent results. Hassle-free cleaning. Twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, or pop the cups and pitcher in the dishwasher's top rack. Cleanup takes minutes, leaving you more time to enjoy your creations. Compact design. Despite its full-size pitcher, the blender's sleek, lightweight body saves counter space, making it ideal for small kitchens or apartments. 1-year limited warranty. Built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, this blender comes with a warranty for peace of mind, ensuring durability and reliability. Who is this blender perfect for? The Magic Bullet Combo Blender is a dream for a wide range of home cooks. Busy professionals. If you're always on the go, the personal blending cup with to-go lid is perfect for quick smoothies or shakes you can take to work or the gym. Families. The 48-ounce pitcher is great for making large batches of soups, smoothies, or dips for family meals or gatherings. Small space dwellers. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, or kitchens with limited counter space. Health enthusiasts. Smoothie lovers and meal prep warriors will appreciate the powerful motor and ability to blend nutrient-packed ingredients like kale, chia seeds, and frozen fruit. Budget-conscious cooks. Priced affordably, this blender offers premium features without the premium price tag, making it a smart investment for cost-savvy shoppers. Real-world performance. My experience. To put the Magic Bullet Combo Blender to the test, I tried a variety of recipes. First up was a classic strawberry banana smoothie with frozen fruit and ice. The 600-watt motor powered through in seconds, delivering a silky texture with no grit. Next, I made a chunky pico de gallo using the pulse function, which gave me perfect control over the consistency, diced, not pureed. For a hot blend, I tried a roasted red pepper soup in the pitcher. The ventilated lid cap prevented any mess, and the soup was velvety smooth. Cleanup was a breeze. I popped the pitcher and cup in the dishwasher, and the blade rinsed clean in seconds. Why you should buy the Magic Bullet Combo Blender now. The Magic Bullet Combo Blender is more than just a blender. It's a versatile, space-saving, time-saving tool that transforms your kitchen routine. Its powerful 600-watt motor, dual pitcher and cup system, and easy clean design make it a must-have for anyone who loves quick, delicious, and healthy meals. Whether you're blending smoothies for one or soups for a crowd, this blender delivers consistent results without the fuss. Don't miss out on upgrading your kitchen game. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this powerhouse yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.